And like Mills mentioned, thousands of the displaced California residents are turning their attention to the potential insurance storm that awaits them. This, as analysts project, this could be the most expensive wildfire event in California history in terms of insured losses, possibly exceeding $20 billion. Well, now a recent rule change could cause insurance premiums to spike for homeowners across the state, as if they don't have enough to contend with. Joining me now is civil litigation and insurance attorney and chief executive and managing partner of Burton Kelly. Welcome to the show.
Good morning, Hannah.
Good morning. Good afternoon. I know you're 3 hours ahead for us. I appreciate you joining us. What are the most common challenges wildfire survivors face when filing insurance claims for these losses that we're seeing on our screens?
I would say right now, probably delay in actually getting through and being able to file the claims because the carriers are not staffed up to handle this type of magnitude of losses. So patience, be a little bit patient. You can file claims through, online. You can contact your broker. Once you get an insurance agent, that person at the company will kind of lead you through the process and take care of it.
Michelle, this is how one woman explains how daunting it is to realize you've lost everything in your life.
I don't even have a toothbrush. I don't even have toothpaste. I mean, just think of all the stuff in your house, and you're starting from scratch.
So how can homeowners ensure they receive the full compensation they're entitled to under their policies?
So the Department of Insurance has instructed the carriers to advance 30% of the personal property limits on their policies without having to provide any detailed inventory of everything they owned in the home. That is one of the things that if you have a loss, the carrier is going to want you to list out all of your inventory, which can be a very tedious process. I would tell people to review the sublimits in their policy when creating that list. But for the woman that we just saw, the Department of Insurance has told carriers release 30% upfront.
I want to play something from the LA District Attorney Nathan Hochman. I talked to him about how his office plans to handle fraudsters. Here's what he said.
If you engage in any of the schemes that we have seen to try and rip off people in their lowest moments, from charity schemes where they're actually setting up fake GoFundMe sites, where they're trying to get people to engage in insurance or government benefit frauds, we will come after you.
We will come after you. What is the best way for policyholders to protect themselves from fraud claims during this process?
I think, doing your due diligence, especially on contractors and public adjusters. Public adjusters can be useful. However, they sometimes tend to, rip off homeowners. They charge a fee for anything that they're going to do for you. And when people are facing the prospect of maybe being underinsured, you're not going to want to be paying your policy, part of your policy benefits, over to a public adjuster. I would say there are a lot of shady contractors and remediation contractors. And now that there's going to be a shortage, people should, check with the contractor state license board, get referrals from their carriers, get referrals from people that have used previous contractors in the past.
Do your research. Civil litigation and insurance attorney Michelle Burton, we really appreciate it. Michelle, thank you for the advice.
Thanks for watching. Go to joinnn.com to find News Nation on your screen. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of News Nation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.